Hey guys, Marissa at KitchenTableStamper.com. Today I've got a mystery card for you. We play mystery card in the craft social every other Thursday, and this is our mystery card for today. Look at this adorable little pocket. Cute. And then the insert card. Happy birthday. Have a peachy day. Isn't that cute? You could pop a little gift card in this pocket too if you wanted to. Isn't that a great card? This is also one of the Maui Takeover case cards. So while I was away in Hawaii for the Stampin' Up incentive trip, some of my moderators on the Craft Social took over the Craft Social and did some challenges. Then their last challenge was for the participants to send their challenge cards to me so that I could case them. It was a really fun takeover. So this is the takeover card that I'm casing. This is from Julie. Isn't that just beautiful? I love this fun fold. So thank you for the inspiration, Julie. Let's get started with our mystery card today. So we're going to use the Sweet as a Peach bundle. I love this 20-piece photopolymer stamp set. It's just gorgeous with its distinctive shades on each of the images. There's lots of fun mix and match greetings and a coordinating die set that you can bundle with the peach dies and save 10%. So really fantastic bundle. We're gonna also use the designer series paper, the coordinating designer series paper from the suite. This is the You're a Peach designer series paper. Isn't this gorgeous? Multicolor florals, stripes. Look at this great green. I don't know, it's like brush strokes, really cool neutral. All right, let's start with the base pieces for our pocket, right? So I've got a piece that's a standard card size. This is 4¼ by 5½, and our designer series paper is 4 by 5¼ I'm gonna go ahead and glue the designer series paper to the card base. I'm gonna use multi-purpose liquid glue for that, and we'll just center it. For the pocket of this card, we've got a 3½ piece square of balmy blue and a 3¼ piece of the You're a Peach designer series paper. Now, if you're making this card, you might as well make 2 cards, because to make the pocket, you're going to take this 3½ square, you're going to line it up on the track of your trimmer from corner to opposite corner, and then you're going to cut this piece in half, and that's going to make your pocket. So what else are you going to do with this triangle piece? You might as well make 2 if you're going to make this card at all. Then we're going to do the same thing for the designer series paper. Line it up corner to corner and cut it in half. Set this set aside for another card, and let's glue this piece together. I'm going to use multi-purpose liquid glue again. And we don't want to center this piece. We want to put the diagonal all the way against the diagonal edge and then have an even side and bottom border. All right, now to put my pocket on to the card, I'm going to use tear and tape adhesive. I want a nice strong bond here, and I don't really want to wait for it to dry. So let's go ahead and add tear and tape to both edges on the 90-degree angle. You'll notice on the diagonal and angle here, I went a little bit past, and that's okay. Just fold that up. You want to get all the way to the corner with that adhesive. And then same here, it's a little bit past that diagonal edge, so just fold it back. And then line up your corner and adhere. And now we've got a great little pocket. Let's look at the card that goes inside that pocket next. Here I've got some pale papaya cardstock. It's 3¼ by 8½, and it's scored at 4¼ Let's work the score with the bone folder and then emboss the front. There's our little tuck-in card. Isn't it just so cute? Let's add some detail. Got the Parisian Flourish embossing folder here. And I'm just gonna pop the front of this into the folder and give it a crank through my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. Got my machine and the #1 platform. I'm gonna drop the folder on there and #4 on the top of this. Look at how gorgeous that is. Isn't that fantastic? Just work that fold back. All right. Now a little bit of die cutting that's already done for you. I have 2 basic white die cuts here. For the inside of the card, I have this second largest, stitched so sweetly, scalloped stitched rectangle. And then from basic white, I have this awesome clipped corner label die. This is the second largest one, and that's from the Hippo and Friends die set. So I did those ahead of time. Let's get some Stampin' Paper mat and ink pads. We'll do some stamping. Okay, I have Pale Papaya, Soft Suede, Pear Pizzazz, and Calypso Coral inks, a sponge dauber, and a soft suede Stampin' Right marker. For the inside of my card, I've got Have a Peachy Day, and we're gonna stamp that just centered on our label here. And then a little more detail. I got the little flowers from Sweet as a Peach. We're gonna ink them with Pale Papaya, and then a little sponge dauber with some Calypso Coral on the edges. Go very light. It's such a small little area. Stamp. And we can pick up a little bit more Pale Papaya. We can just a little touch of ink. There's Have a Peachy Day. Isn't that cute? And then for the outside greeting, we're gonna do Happy Birthday. We're gonna do that one in soft suede. The very bottom of our clipped corner label, as low as you can get it without touching the stitches. All right, there's our greetings. Let's get some images here. I've got some Whisper White cardstock. This is half a sheet, and we're going to do all of the cutout pieces. So we need 2 branches. I'm gonna stamp those with Pear Pizzazz. Aren't they gorgeous? And we need the stem for our peach. Again, Pear Pizzazz. And then I'm just going to use a little tissue here, and I'm gonna wipe off the stem. And then I'm gonna use that soft suede marker and re-ink our stem. And then our peach, let's go ahead and ink in Pale Papaya. And then we'll daub a little bit of Calypso Coral. I don't love the way it's stamped. I don't think I pushed on it properly. I've got room, so I'm going to stamp that again. All right, I wiped off the ink. I'm going to start over again on this one because I don't want to contaminate my Pale Papaya with Calypso Coral. All right, daub again. A little bit of, we're kind of giving our peach a blush. And then this time I'm going to apply better pressure. Much nicer. All right, now flowers. I've got my little flower image, again, Pale Papaya, and then just daubing the edges with some Calypso Coral. We need 2 sets of flowers, so let's stamp, and then we'll swipe off the ink just to keep our Pale Papaya pure. And ink up Pale Papaya and go with a little dauber around the edges again. There's our second set of flowers. We're almost done. Got the flower center. We're going to ink that in soft suede and give each of these flowers a little extra detail. Awesome. Even my first peach is looking fine once it's had a bit to dry. In fact, I might like it better. All right, let me get my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine and we'll get these die cut. Okay, because we have 2 each of the vine and the flower, it's gonna take 2 passes through the machine. Got my little cutouts here from the peach dies. All right, we're all set up for the second pass through here. And there's all of our parts. Let's get the machine out of the way and get our die cut pieces. I think it turns out that I like both of these peaches just fine. I'm going to save the other one for my second card. All right. Let's get some multi-purpose liquid glue and adhere our labels first. On the outside, we're going to do our little clip corner. And you want this up high of center and then centered right to left. And then inside the card, have a peachy day. We'll center that. It's so cute. I just love it. This is a warm-up project for Camp Wanna Stamp. So another little hint at our Camp Wanna Stamp. If you missed Facebook Live last Friday, there's another Camp Wanna Stamp hint. All right, there's our insert. Now let's find our pocket here and we'll start gluing our flowers. I'm going to start with the little vine on the pocket here. You don't want any glue on the tip of the branch. Those 3 leaves are going to extend past the pocket. So no glue past there. I'm going to put that all the way down in the corner, as low as you can get it and as far to the left as you can get it. You just want that little bit peeking off the edge. I'm going to burnish that down. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, we need one of our smallest little flowers here. I'm going to put that one down with multi-purpose liquid glue. And then the other 2 flowers from that bunch are going to get a mini dimensional. Isn't that so pretty? All right, tuck that guy in. And now you'll see that this little bit of branch here needs to be free so that it'll fit in the pocket. Let's take our branches. This is the second one. We're going to cut this one. We're going to cut it right here. See? Now we've got 2 branches. Let's adhere our first one. This one we can almost entirely glue. Nothing too much to worry about there. I like that placement. And then now this branch, you want to avoid the end of the leaves there because that's going to tuck over the pocket. Then our peach. Now our smallest flower again, we're going to put that one down with multi-purpose liquid glue. And next we need some dimensionals. I'm going to take a little half a mini, put one on the stem of my peach and on the leaves. Cute, cute. And then each of our flowers. Oh, my spare peach. I'll put that with the rest of the triangle. Little mini dimensional on each of the flowers. And we're almost done here. One flower, and then one up here. There it is. Happy birthday. Have a peachy day. So what do you guys think? I am so grateful for Julie and her inspiration card. Isn't that adorable? If you guys have any questions about the project, the craft social, any of the fun things that we do over there, please email me, marissa@kitchentablestamper.com. And to shop Stampin' Up 24/7, you can buzz over to marisaalvarez.stampinup.net. Thanks for watching.